Exercise 2.1, question number 1. Solve the following simple equations. First one, 6m equal to 12 here. So here m equal to 12 by 6. So 6 2's here 12. So m equal to 2 here. Second one, 14p equal to minus 42. So here 14 you are going to send to RHS, then p equal to minus 42 by 14 here. So 14 here 3 times. So p equal to minus 3 here 3 times. Next third one, minus 5y equal to 30 here. So here minus 5 you are going to send to RHS, then y equal to 30 by minus 5 here. So here 5 6 times, then y equal to minus 6 here. Fourth one, minus 2x equal to minus 12. So here x equal to sending minus 2 to RHS, then minus 12 by minus 2 here. So here minus minus cancel, here 2 6 times. So here x equal to 6 here. Next fifth one, 34x equal to minus 51. So x equal to minus 51 by 34 here. So here 17 2 times, 17 3 times, then x equal to minus 3 by 2 here. Sixth one, n by 7 equal to minus 3. So 7 we are going to send to RHS, then it will become multiplication. So n equal to minus 3 into 7. So that will be minus 21 here. Next seventh, 2x by 3 equal to 18. So 2x equal to 18 into 3 here, then x equal to 18 into 3 by 2 here. So here 2 9 times. So 9 into 3. Then x equal to 27 here. Next eighth one, 3x plus 1 equal to 16. So here 3x equal to 16 minus 1 here. So 3x equal to 15 here. Then x equal to 15 by 3. So that will be 5 here. So x is equal to 5 here. Ninth one, 3p minus 7 equal to 0. So 3p 7 you are going to send to RHS, then 3p equal to 7. Then p equal to 7 by 3 here. Next 10th one, 13 minus 6n equal to 7. So here 6n we are going to send to RHS, 7 we are going to send to LHS. Then it will be 13 minus 7 equal to 6n here. So 13 minus 7 it will be 6 equal to 6n. So n equal to 6 by 6. So n equal to minus 1 here. Next 11th one, 200y minus 51 equal to 49 here. So 200y equal to 49 plus 51. Then 200y equal to, here 49 plus 51 it will be 100 here. Then y equal to 100 by 200 here. So 100 by 200 here we get 1, 2. Then y equal to 1 by 2 here. Next 12th one, 11n plus 1 equal to 1 here. So 11n equal to 1 minus 1 here. So 11n equal to 0. So n equal to 0 by 11. So n equal to 0 by 11 will be 0 here. 13th one, 7x minus 9 equal to 16. So here 7x equal to 16 plus 9 here. Then 7x equal to 16 plus 9, it will be 25 here. Then x equal to 25 by 7 here. Next 14th, 8x plus 5 by 2 equal to 13. Then 8x equal to 13 minus 5 by 2 here. 8x equal to, here taking LCM 2, here 26 minus 5 here. So 8x equal to 26 minus 5, it will be 21 by 2 here. So x equal to 21 by 8 into 2 here. So that will be 21 by 16 here. Next 15, 4x minus 5 by 3 equal to 9 here. So that means 4x equal to 9 plus 5 by 3 here. So 4x equal to 3, 27 plus 5 here. So 4x equal to, here 27 plus 5, it will be 32 by 3 here. So x equal to 32 by 3 into 4 here. So here 4, 1, 4, 8 here. So that will be x equal to 8 by 3 here. Next 16, x plus 4 by 3 equal to 3, 1 by 2 here. So here x plus 4 by 3 equal to, here 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 here. So here 4 by 3 sending to RHS, then x equal to 7 by 2 minus 4 by 3 here. So x equal to, so here taking LCM 6, so here 21 minus 8 here. Then x equal to 21 minus 8, it will be 13 by 6 here. So x equal to 13 by 6.